Conker AI. Do you ever feel like you're drowning in work? Like there's not enough time in the day to get everything done? That's where Conker AI tool comes in. Conker is a powerful AI tool that can help you with a variety of tasks. Writing emails and letters, generating creative content, translating languages, answering your questions in an informative way. Conker is easy to use. Simply tell it what you want to do, and it will take care of the rest. For example, if you want to write an email, simply tell Conker the subject line, who you're writing to, and what you want to say. Conker will then generate a draft email for you. Conker is a valuable asset for anyone who wants to save time and be more productive. It's easy to use and can help you with a variety of tasks. Conker AI tool. Save time and be more productive.